So, after that, integrating this Google spreadsheet into the Facebook form, now we'll be integrating the same sheet with the API in Message Club Management. So, to integrate that, first we need to configure the sheet as per our requirement. So, to configure that, we need to click on Extensions, click on App Script. Once you have clicked on App Script, this page will open. Here, first you need to enter the project name. Now we have to change the name of the project. Now we'll be pasting the JSON which I have shared in this document. You just need to copy and paste it in here. Once you have pasted it, you just need to click on Save Project, this floppy icon. After that, we'll be adding a trigger here. Once we add the trigger, so to add the trigger, we need to click on Add Trigger button. This pop-up will open. So the only thing you should change here is select event type. It should be always on edit. Now click on Save button. Once you have saved your trigger, your app script is almost ready. So to complete the app, you need to create your one API. So for that, first you need to create the template in the message club panel, like I have created here. Okay, I have created it along with all the variables I require, which will be getting from the sheet itself, like the full name, email, phone number, and etc. So once I click on update draft, my template gets saved. Now, to create the API, we'll be requiring the URL and the JSON for it. So click on Ready API button. Enter the number on which you want your Ready API. So this is the API URL and JSON body which we require. So to create our API, you need to go to the admin panel, login into it, and on the left side of the panel, you need to click on One API and click on One API configuration. Once this page opens up, click on Create One API. You can select the username under which you want to create your API. You can name the API name. You can enter the content whichever you want to require. So you need to select the label as per your requirement. So it is a response report, and we are also integrating it along with we'll be adding a bot for it. So we have selected all the options. Now click on Save button. Once you have clicked and API has already been created. Okay. Now you need to click on total configuration, click on add button, add data button, and now here you so I have entered the API name and it will be triggered under the verified WhatsApp. So I've selected verified WhatsApp in the service type. Now we'll be updating the URL of the of our template. So we'll just click on it and we'll be updating the URL. Now we'll change the request type to post. Then the post body, we need to copy this JSON and we need to paste it somewhere so that we can add the required data, like modify it. I will paste it in the post body. In success response, I'll just enter the success and click on add. Now our API is ready. So we have to update this API ID, which is 464 in this case in the app script. So I have mentioned that we need to update this API ID here. So once I have updated it, I'll just again click on the floppy button to save my JSON. And now our integration the of our Google spreadsheet and API is complete here. So whenever a entry will be made in this sheet, like whenever somebody will fill the form and the entry will get uh, in this new row, it will get updated in the API and a message will be triggered like this. So once you have shared the so once you have integrated the form along with the sheet and in the API, whenever a new person will fill that form, this uh, sheet will get an entry in a new row, and along with that, a message will be triggered to that number which the user has provided. So that's it. This is the complete process of integrating instant forms with the Google spreadsheet and one API. Thank you.